Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've recorded for you this look. I hope you guys like it. I'm feeling it, you know, I'm feeling it. I can't lie. It's not exactly what I was going for. I really wanted to do something neutral, but I guess that will be for the next video. Anyways, this is what I came up with. The first step, primer. So I'm going to take a bit of this primer. The primer that I'm using is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the shade Eden. So I'm going to use the same brush that I used to blend out my concealer to blend out my primer. So blend it out. Place it like on my lid and like blend it into my concealer. So there. Now that that's done, I'm gonna use this same brush here again to set my eyes. Well, mainly my eyebrows. I'm doing a bit of patting. I don't know how to say a damn word, okay, but I'm patting it on to my basically where I want it and like sort of blending it out at the same time. So I'm like patting and blending, patting and blending. I'm going to be using this palette by the Nubian 2 palette by JUVIA'S place. I love JUVIA'S place. This is what the palette looks like, and I really, you know, I feel like we can establish a neutral look today using this guy. So to start, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow right here and my Morphe E27 brush, which is like my favorite brush for like blending out my transition colors. So I'm going to use the Morocco shade from the Nubian 2 palette as my transition color. And as usual, I blend it out above my crease. Circular motion, blend out the edges. Smaller blending brush to go into my crease, and for that I will use, actually I'm just going to use the brush from the Anastasia palette. I don't know which palette it's from, but I think it might be Subculture, but it's this brush, and I'm going to use this side of the brush to blend out the next color. And the next color that I'm going to go in with is going to be this color. Same right here thing that you're doing as you did with the first shadow, which is you back and forth circular motions, and that's how I blend. I don't know if you have another way that is more comfortable for you, but for me this is what works. So I like to blend the edges out to make sure that they blend well with the first shadow that I placed. This darker shade right here, and apply that to deepen up my crease a little bit. I'm going to use the same brush. Actually, just to have a more precise like placement, I'm going to use this part of the brush to apply, and I'm going to use the other part to blend it out. I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. What I do, I go back after I've done all that and I reapply the same colors that I've applied before, because some of them do tend to disappear after you've blended and blended and blended. So I go back over. First I'm going back over with the orange color, and I'm putting that at the top here as my transition color, and I'm blending it out again. But I want it to be more intense this time because I really want it to stand out. Okay. So after blending that out, I'm actually going to go back in with the next color, which is Jezebel, that I went in below that, and blend that out. There you can see the transition, like it's so pretty. You see the yellow, the orangish color, then you see the maroon, and then you see the dark brown. So there's a little trick, okay, to how you get your looks to look very blended, is you gotta go back over it with your shadows that you already used and re-intensify them. So there you can see all 3 shadows that I've used, but it's blended. And then I go back into my dark brown, and I use the same brush with no extra product on it and just blend it out. Now that that's done, I'm gonna put a lid color. look, I'm not going to be using any liner. I'm just gonna put some mascara on and some false lashes. And the mascara that I'm using is Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara by Too Faced. And I'm basically just giving it enough coat of mascara to cover up any primer that may have been there that left my lashes a different color, or any eyeshadow that may have been left behind. And that's it. I'm gonna go apply some lashes. Okay guys, so I don't really like how simple my look is, so I'm going to add a little bit of some glitter to the look. So I've just mixed a few little glitters that I have here that I've bought from AliExpress and from the dollar store. I'm going to use some of NYX glitter primer. I'm going to use this brush here that I got from BH Cosmetics a long time ago and place the glitter on. Now I'm going to be using my eyeliner to hide the lash band.
No need to run and hide, But as the night draws near, we are animals of fear. Feel so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
Using the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW48, and it looks like that, and that's what I'm going to be using to contour. Over my face with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest, and I'm going to just apply that all over my face with a fluffy powder brush. To set the places that I guess I did not set with for highlight and contour, just everything else. And I'm also going over the places where I put highlight and contour to help it blend seamlessly. Empty the man 19 now your face and gone. So now I'm gonna finish my bottom lash line. I'm gonna be using the Duo Brush Crease. I'm guessing crease blender is what it says. I've had this. Let me tell you guys a story. This brush is the only brush I have left of my very first brush set, and I remember it because my mom got it for me for Christmas in 2007. My mom got me this brush, and I still have one left. I'm just gonna apply these two shadows here to my bottom lash line, and then I'm gonna apply some mascara. Using my favorite blush palette of all times, the Sahara Blush Palette Volume 1 by JUVIA'S. And I'm gonna be using Neo and a bit of Toby to go back over with a powder brush. This one is the Morphe M401. I'm going over my blush and blending it back and forth, same way I do my eye makeup, back and forth, circular motions. Today I'm just gonna spray my face with this instead of the rose water. Later, I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Clip. Okay, that's definitely not what I meant to say. But Glow Kit, okay. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. This lipstick that I got from the company LUXE by BIJOUX, and this is a liquefied lipstick, and it's in this shade. I find this lipstick is looking a little red on me, like on camera, but in real life it's a little bit more darker. Like it's not as bright as it looks on. So guys, I'm gonna go fix my hair and come back because my gel left a mess that I need to clean up. So I'll be right back. See you guys soon. Which is very, very pretty. I suggest you guys check it out. It's by this really cool girl. Her name is BIJOUX, and she just started her own cosmetic line, and I think that you guys should go check it out. I'll leave the link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share the video. Okay, don't be selfish. Anyways guys, I'm gonna see you guys soon in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye boos. Mwah.
The night drives near.